My name is Sanika Avinash Bhandari, a third year computer engineering student from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Technology. Today I am here to explain you about a very simple and easy concept, that is a page replacement. Okay, the question is, what is meant by page replacement? Simple, page replacement, replacement of page. But from where, how and why, that I will try to explain you in detail. I hope you will understand it very carefully. So let's see what is meant by page replacement. Replacement of page from the primary memory and the secondary memory. Let's see why the page replacement. Okay. We know that our computer is having two types of memories. One is primary and one is secondary. We also know that the storage of this primary memory is very less as compared to the secondary memory. So initially all the data is present in the secondary memory. Let's see the working. In this, the CPU is connected to primary memory and the primary memory is connected to the secondary memory. So if you want to execute any process, the process have to present in the primary memory. Let's get some example. Let's get example, that is, if you want to execute a process P, then instead of calling whole the process, what we will do is we will call the pages of that process in the primary memory, so that the primary memory will be utilized very efficiently. But the problem is the storage of this primary memory is very less. So if this storage is getting full, then what we have to do is we have to replace the page with the existing page. See, now we want a page green, and currently our primary memory is full, and the primary memory is having the page yellow. So we have to replace the page yellow with the green. After that, the green will be in primary memory and the yellow in the secondary memory. So what is meant by page replacement? Replacement of page between the primary memory and the secondary memory. This is basically formed because of the page fault. Let's see what is page fault. Page fault. The page that CPU wants is not present in the primary memory, and this is the condition of the page fault. See, the CPU wants the page 1 and page 1 is not present in the primary memory. So it is present in the secondary memory. So for the execution, we have to call the page 1 from the secondary memory, and this is the condition of the page fault. So, and now what is meant by page hit? The page that CPU wants, it's already present in the primary memory. This is the condition of the page hit. There are mainly 4 algorithms for the page replacement: FIFO, LIFO, optimal page replacement, and least recently used. In this video, we will learn about the optical page replacement. So let's see optimal page replacement. What it says, OS will replace the page that will be not used for the longest period of time in the future. जो पेज अभी हमें नहीं चाहिए, I will replace that page with the existing page. I have just solved that example. We will solve this in this slide. Okay. So this is the structure of the primary memory. This is the primary memory. There are 3 frames, F1, F2 and F3. Also, this is the reference string, or we can say that the page that CPU wants for the execution. Now CPU wants the page number 7. Page number 7 is not present in this primary memory. So I can insert 7 anywhere. So I will just insert 7 in F1. 7 is not present in the primary memory, so it is the page fault. I will just draw a star for the page fault, and I will write a hit for the page hit. So now the CPU wants the page number 0. Page number 0 is also not present in the primary memory. It will become a page fault. It will become a page fault, and there are 2 frames that are empty, F2 and F3. So I can insert 0 in F2. Now CPU wants a page number 1. Page number 1 is also not present. It will become a page fault, and I can insert 1 in frame F3. Now CPU wants a page number 2. Page number 2 is not present. I will write star because it is a page fault. But all the frames are full. I cannot insert 2 anywhere. So I have to replace the page with the page number 2. I have to replace any of the page 1, 0 and 7 with the page number 2. Optimal page replacement algorithm, what it says, I have to replace that page which is currently not in use. I will just check which page is at higher distance from the page number 2. So now the page number 2 is here, and 1, 0 and 7. here is 1, here is 7, and here is 0. The page number 7 is at higher distance from the page number 2, so I can replace the page number 7 with 2. I will write here 2. 0 and 1 as it is. Now the CPU wants a page number 0. Page number 0 is also already present, so it is the condition of the page head. I will write head for the page head. Now CPU wants a page number 2. 2 is also present. It is also page head, and I will write the pages as it is. Now CPU wants a page number 3. Page number 3 is not present. I will write star because it is a page fault. So I will check which page is at high distance from the page number 3. 1, 0 and 2. Here is 1, here is 0, here is no any 0 and here is 2. So 0 is a high distance from the page number 3. So I will replace 0 with 3. 1, 3 and 2. Now the CPU wants page number 4. Page number 4 is also not present. It is the condition of the page fault. I have to replace any of the page 1, 3 and 2 with the page number 4. I will just check which page is higher distance from the page number 2. 1, 3 and 2. Here is 1, here is 3 and here is 2. The page number 1 is at higher distance from the page number 2, so I will just replace page number 1 with 4. I will write here page number 4, 3 and 2 as it is. Now CPU wants a page number 2. 2 is also present. It is a condition of the page head. 4, 3 and 2. Now CPU wants a page number 3. 3 is also present. I will write here 4, 3, 2, page 8. Now CPU wants a page number 1. 1 is not present, so it is a page fault. I will just write here star. I have to replace any of the page with the page number 1. But here is no any page, right? 2, 3 and 4. Here is string ends. Here is only 7. Here is no any number or no any page. So I can replace any of the page with the page number 1. Here I will just replace the page number 2 with page number 1. So I will just write here 1 and all the pages as it is. Now CPU wants a page number 7, and 7 is also not present in the primary memory. It is the condition of the page fault. Same like the previous condition, I can replace any of the page with the page number 7. So in this I will replace the page number 3 with page number 7, and this is the solving of the optimal page replacement. So this is the reference string which containing 12 pages. Total pages are 12. Here we have found the total number of page faults are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 page faults and there are 4 page hits. So because of that, page fault ratio is 8 by 12 into 100, that is 66%. And the page hit ratio is 4 by 12 into 100, that is a 34%. So we have solved the one page replacement algorithm question. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you for the watching.